Jersey number 24 is no good. Ang rebound para jersey number 20. Running jersey number 04. It's a line violation. Turnover. Jersey number 15 against jersey number 20. Jersey number 15 attacking the D-man. Hooks it up. It's 2-for-2. 5 seconds to play. There's a foul away from the ball. Foul committed jersey number 0. That is third foul. 13th foul. Substitution. Jersey number 20 passes jersey number 16 and Jack. Jersey number 59. Almost intercept. Then on the shot of the jersey number 18. Up and under and it's good for 2. Score 63-45. 80.8. Out of bounds, save ball. 17-second shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Ronnie jersey number 15, it's good for 2. Jersey number 18, jersey number 04. 80 points limit, passing jersey number 16 and down. Passing jersey number 18, pointing on the shot off. 6 seconds, oh, makes it up. Now passing the first foul, it's going to be jersey number 8. That is first foul. Number 16, and yeah, 8 on the shot clock. Jersey number is so good. Jersey number 18, 10-second shot clock. Out of bounds, save ball. 9-second shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 18, jersey number 04, makes it foul. Jersey number 27. 6-second shot clock, 6 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 16 and yeah, baseline inbound, jersey number 18. 4-second shot clock. It's a traveling violation. 3 minutes and 58 seconds to play, under 4 minutes to play. Jersey number 15 against jersey number 8 against the 2 defenders. Jersey number 29, Lopez. Stop and pop for 3. Yes, no good. Jersey number 20 on the outside to Mino. Took layoff, it's no good. Out of the board, jersey number 87. Pass to jersey number 0. They caught the line delivered. Jersey number 8. Nice chase from back to jersey number 20. Shot is no good. And it's jersey number 16 with the ball. And it's jersey number 18. It's good for 2. Well, jersey number 0 is wide. Attack the defense. Rabas in jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, corner 3. It's no good. Rebound in jersey number 0. That is shot on the putback. It's good for 2. Score 65-49, 16-point lead. Bounce para Iloilo, jersey number 80, Rachel. ISO play, lays it up. It's 2 for 2. Back-to-back points para jersey number 18. Jersey number 15, pass jersey number 27. Pass jersey number 15. 2 minutes and 38 seconds to play. 15 on the shot clock.